This one is really cool. I mean, notice how much bigger it is. The robotic arm of this robot carries 4 instruments, a rock abrasion tool, a microscope, and 2 spectrometers, and they can look at the rock and take scientific measurements of the rock in place. But what's really cool about Curiosity is that it's got about almost 40 kilos of stuff on the end of the arm. And the central mechanism on the end of the arm is a drill. And this drill actually can pulverize the rock and suck the dust back up into the drill, and then it can sift it through this other mechanism down to a certain grain size, and then put it into sample inlets on the top of the deck. And inside the deck, there's this really sophisticated laboratory equipment where it drops into a test tube and goes into an oven and gets baked, and it gets all all the stuff that a scientist would do with rock dust in a lab to find out what's in it. It can do that on board. So it's got all sorts. It can do much more analysis of the sample than we can do with our little spectrometers here. It can determine if there's organics. It can actually have a little inlet that it can suck in air from the outside and analyze that too. So it's got a lot of cool stuff. And the other thing that's really, really cool about this rover is that it's got a laser.
Yeah.
So up on the top of the mast, there's this laser, and this laser can vaporize rocks. So from a distance, it can shoot the laser, vaporize the rock, and then in the plasma that comes out of the rock, it can analyze that plasma to figure out what kind of rock it is.
Wow.
And there's a microscope associated with that too. So as it hits the rock, and it's creating this plasma, it also can take a microscopic image of it, really
And is this all just to learn a little bit more about the terrain of Mars?